Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So yesterday you would have seen my video where I went to the Melbourne Money Expo and was able to get all the coin swap coins. Now this is some of the other stuff I picked up there, and we'll go through that in a moment. But I just wanted to mention that the Sydney Money Expo is on in October. So it's a Saturday and Sunday, the 26th and 27th of October 2019. So if you're in the Sydney area, make sure you get along to that. You'll have to look up online, possibly via the ANDA website, and that'll tell you exactly where it is. But yeah, 26th, 27th of October is the time to make sure you get to the Sydney Money Expo. Alright, so we'll have a look at this one in a moment. I haven't opened up this one. This is, I actually wasn't even aware of this coin, but I grabbed it, and it has a limited mintage of 1969. Okay, so I haven't opened it. I don't even know what number I've got, so when I see it, you'll see it. So we'll have a look at that one shortly. And in the meantime, I did get another special coin, which is the Mob of Ruse. So it's a 2019 Mob of Ruse, which is it's got a privy mint mark of the common heath, which that's what it looks like up the top here. And I suppose we can try and zoom in and have a little look there at the actual coin. You can see that little mint mark just below the big kangaroo there. And the common heath is the floral emblem of Victoria. So probably says it here. Yeah, the state floral emblem of Victoria. So this particular Melbourne privy mark is limited to 3,000, a mintage of just 3,000, and they tend to put out one of these usually for Brisbane, Sydney, and I think Perth each year. So yeah, hopefully you guys are able to get a hold of one of these from your states. Alright, so that was $15 for that one there. They also had, they got the bold, the bad, and the ugly. Basically, it's a coin set as such. There's no real differences in the actual coins from what I can see. They're all exactly the same coins. It's purely just the packaging. Would have been nice to have a different look on each of the coins, but essentially the mint has sold us some packaging. Now the only difference was the Melbourne minted one, so this one here, so we can probably zoom in to the mint mark there, and you can see that M there, and no doubt they'll have one of those for Sydney as well. So this is the Australian Bushrangers range, and it's just got a little bit about each of the Bushrangers on the back of them. So they're all $1 coins. It says there that they're unlimited in numbers, so it'll be interesting to see what these guys, what they produce there. So that one there, the Mad Dog Morgan, another Mad Dog Morgan, but this Mad Dog Morgan has the Australian privy on it, so we look in the same spot there. We can see that little privy mark there, which is Australia. Yep, and that one there has the M, but same packaging, just different privy marks on them. If we just have a look backwards, so let's just go through them, have a look at who they all are. The coins are all the same. They've all got the Australian privy mark on them. So Brave Ben Hall, it's not bad packaging. I like the look at Moondine Joe. You can read all about these guys. And we've got here the Kniff brothers. And we got a lady here. Oh no, Captain Thunderbolt, sorry. So Yep. Not bad. And the last one, who have we got here? Captain Moonlight. So they're the Bushrangers. So quite a nice little set. And well worth getting. Fairly inexpensive. I think they were like $5 each or something like that. So well worth getting. Alright, let's get to this guy here. Let's open up, see what the coin looks like, and see what number I got. So, limited number of these. So these are produced by Ander, I'm assuming. Well, by the mint. So it's a 50-cent fine silver proof coin. And it's the anniversary of the 12-sided coin. So back in 1969 is when we had this particular shape hit our currency, and you will remember that in 1966 we started with the round 50-cent coin, which was 80% silver. So they price of silver went up too much and was too expensive to produce, so there was no coins, no 50-cent coins produced in 67 and 68, and then in 69 came out with the 12-sided coin. Alright, so hopefully we're opening this up the right way, and I don't know if I can grab it out. No, not easy to grab out. I shall try. No. No, I can't get it out, but that's it there. It's a proof coin. It's silver. And the number I got was 355. So, grab this little card out. It'll tell us a little bit more about the coin. So it is 18.24 grams. Okay, so it'll have the effigy, the previous effigy. So the Stuart, I'm assuming it'll have the Stuart Devlin, the Ian Broadley, or Rank Broadley, I forget what his name is, on it. I'm assuming it would, since it's to commemorate 50 years. It's too hard to get out right now. No, I can't get it out. But I'll certainly check that out and let you know if it's any different. But I would have thought that it would have the older effigy on there. Yeah, it's quite a nice coin. And this was $80 for this coin. So not cheap, but a limited number. So a fairly low mintage at 1969. So I felt it was worthwhile grabbing. And I do like to collect the special 50-cent coins. Alright guys, that is it for today. And I thank you for watching. And I look forward to bringing another video to you soon.